Hi guys, so today I will show you a simple salad recipe made with chicken, bacon and avocado. Yum! Let's start with the bacon. In a skillet, fry some bacon till it's completely cooked on both sides. I think I used about 6 slices. Place them in a paper towel and set it aside to cool. With a fork or clean hands, shred some chicken breast. I'm using some leftover rotisserie chicken. Now let's get the rest of our salad ingredients. Chop some tomatoes and place in a bowl with your chicken. Here I used 2 small tomatoes. Then peel about half a cucumber, chop them into bite-sized pieces and place in the bowl. I used 2 whole avocados just because I love them. Cut them up, add it to your bowl. Now, bring your cold bacon, chop them into pieces, and yes, it goes into the bowl as well. I also add feta cheese to my salad. I love the taste and the texture. For the dressing, I'll squeeze half a lemon into a bowl, add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix and taste to see if you need more seasoning. I decided to add the other half of the lemon. Mix and spoon it over your salad. Stir this completely before serving. And yes, why not add a little bit more feta cheese? Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.